Hello friends, welcome to this video. In today's video, I'm going to cover a cue card, talk about your favorite book or describe your favorite book. Here is my take. Well, reading books is one of my hobbies and I often make time to read books. Every single month I finish couple of books. Mostly I love reading books on business, finance, self-help. Sometimes I read fictions also. I developed reading habits with the help of my grandparents because they would often read religious and other books. Since then, I have been reading books on different genres. If I talk about my favorite book, then I would say that it is You Can Win, written by Mr. Shiv Kheda. Is an Indian writer, but he is internationally proclaimed for his books. So far, he has authored about 3 books and his all books have been international bestseller and they have been translated in 50 languages according to me. Why I love this book? Because this book is amazing. It talks about developing a solid character. It teaches that if one has a solid character, he can survive in any thick and thin of this world. It also motivates a person to use his or her time in a productive way. It says that it is not good to waste the time and idle away your precious moment of the life. This book inspired me a lot, and earlier I used to be very negative in my approach. Now I have become a positive personality, and whatever I do, I try to do that with positivity and I don't waste my time anymore. This book says one more important thing. It says that one should be an asset. It means that one should be a useful person for the entire nation or wherever you live. You should be a useful person for your family, society and for the country. If you are a liability, then soon you will be kicked out and you will have no value in the eyes of people, not even in the eyes of the country. If you have to survive or if you want to make a name and fame, then you need to be an asset and keep improving yourself. Since then, I try to use my time to improve myself and reach my goals just because of this book. And whenever I feel confused, I go to the book and find my favorite stories there, and they motivate me a lot. Because of this book, I have transformed myself a lot. I thank the writer for writing such a wonderful book, and I'm gonna read a couple of books written by this writer because I'm gonna advance in my life and I don't want to leave any stone unturned to reach my goals. So friends, this way you can talk about books. This cue card may be a little bit lengthy. You can finish your cue card in 1 minute 10 seconds, 1 minute 20 or 30 seconds. This is a idle timing. But I wanted to give you maximum ideas so you can grasp the ideas and use them in your sentences and words. If you have enjoyed this video and this video has taught you anything, please do not forget to subscribe our channel, because we are going to bring more videos for you, because we are on a mission to help you score high in your IELTS examination. Thank you so much. See you next time.